This is our fourth day at Hokkaido, which is the last day of our Hokkaido trip. After wandering through the Sapporo city in the early morning, we headed straight to Shiroi Koibito Park, where British and Hokkaido cultures merge. This is a theme park by the local chocolate company Ishiya, which produces Shiroi Koibito, one of the famous sweets in Japan. The park has shops, cafe, restaurants, factory which produces cookies, etc. There are also a lot of attractions that children and adults can enjoy. In this factory area, the production of cookies, cakes, etc. takes place. They offer a wide variety of engaging activities. Now I'm going to try one of them, which is the Sweets Workshop Dream Kitchen, where we can enjoy courses like making cookies and chocolates. The expert staffs will be there to support us and guide us throughout this activity. No matter whether we are interested in baking or not, it's really a fun-filled activity where we can fully showcase our artistic as well as baking talents. So you can see my creativity now. I have just written "Welcome to Hokkaido" with some random designs. So as a souvenir, we can take the cookie back to our home.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way.
For a relaxing retreat, visit any of the restaurants here. I have heard about Ishiya's sweet set from my friends and I really wanted to try that. Chocolate Lounge Oxford serves the chocolate and other sweets like Ishiya Sweets Enjoy Set, Ishiya Pancake Strawberry, etc., which can be found only here. It's really a great chance to treat ourselves with authentic and delicious sweets with a great view. Also, while having the sweets, we can watch the jolly parade of automatons of animals living in the north area at the Mechanical Clock Tower. Don't miss out the chance to see, know, taste and experience chocolates and cookies along with the exciting activities.